So, GRM tayo guys. Nagpe-prepare ako for, nagpipicture lang naman ako for my profile picture. Yeah, so yung mga gagamitin ko, hindi naman ako gagamit ng foundation. Though may foundation naman ako dito na Maybelline. So, this is it. Maybelline. Cake powder. And then, I'm going to use the concealer of Pink Flash, which is a variant of 0.2. And then, for my eyeshadow, I'll be using the Everbilena. Wala akong madaming makeup. This is for my everyday look. Actually. Minsan ko lang ito na magamit. Yung isang pudpud na. Which is, itong isa. Sira-sira na rin eh. Ayan, ito. Okay, and then, next eyeshadow palette that I bought sa robe. Ito. Napunas na kasi yung nail niya. More on red and orange. Mas glittery din to. Kasi malalaki yung glitters niya. And then, I'll be using the Airy Velvet Cream. And so, binili ko to sa Focallure shop sa Shopee. In the shade of OR02. And then, next is I'll be using the Ink Gelato Peri Pera. Ito lang. Anong shade ba to? Hindi ko rin alam eh. Basta, ito yun. Ayan. And then, eyebrow pencil lang yung gagamitin ko from Careline. Pudpud na rin to eh. Ayan. And for my blush on, I think I'll be using this Everbilena color stick. Ito. Yun lang. And then, let's start na.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning.
Ayan na. So, for my highlighter, I use Everbilena Glow Out Highlighter. Ito yan. Binili ko to sa Watson. And then, sa my inner lip ko, Bloodshot na lip tint.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Okay guys, this is my final look. And, ah. Good evening guys. So ito yung ulam ko for tonight. 2 eggs at saka kalamansi may pagkoo. Yo, change linen tayo. Ganit ka? Hmm? Nagkarating ko lang dito sa hospital. So, it's time na mag-endorsean na kami para makauwi na rin ng mga kasama.
Hindi nga
True.
kasi Jai, may isa lang ito kami Jai. No, for example, sila lang may kami Jai. Oh.
So good morning guys. Kakagising ko lang. It's already 5:23 p.m. After ko kasing kumain, natulog na ako. Sobrang pagod ba? Sa duty ko kasi 1 hour lang ako nakatulog eh. Kaya nalubos-lubos ko yung tulog ko kanina. So, okay. Wala na ako masyadong agenda today. Nag-i-give lang ako ng tubig kasi mamaya wala na namang tubig. Then, kukunin ko yung mga laundry ko doon sa labas. Natin kung nasa. Hello guys, it's time to eat now for dinner. Yung ulam ko is yung ulam ko lang kanina kumaga, which is the egg. And then yung ibang ulam sa labas. Then yung veggie. And I'm watching my dinner. Also my dinner is adobo Dutch. Yun lang naman.
내가 여기까지 이제 어떻게 돼? Tigas kasama si Melanie ako kasama sa leader.
Hi guys, kakauwi ko lang and I took my bath na and I'm preparing for my quads kasi may pupuntahan ako today. Yeah. So, yun lang. Basta ko kanta-kanta na mata.